remember that.
We used angles, measurement and area to determine the shapes making up the invitation.
Oh, those were the invitations. Now let's bake the cake.
Here is the cake we made earlier.
If there are 10 people coming to the party, then how much cake does each person get?
Well, first we need to find the volume of the whole cake and then divide it by 10. Here's how.
To find the volume of the cake, we first have to find the area of the top. To do this, the formula is pi r squared. R stands for radius, and the radius for the cake would be 10 centimetres as the diameter is 20 centimetres. Pi r squared for the cake equals 314 centimetres. This is the area. Then you have to times the area by the height of the cake, which is 3 centimetres. The answer is 942 centimetres cubed. Now that we have the volume, we have to divide it by 10 to find out how much each person gets. This equals 94.2 centimetres cubed.
Now it's time to ice the cake.
How much icing do we need?
Well, for the ice is 0.5 centimeters thick. First, we find the area of the top plus the area of the side, and then we times it by 0.5 centimeters. Here's how.
The area of the top of the circle is 314 centimetres squared. To find the area of the sides, we need to find the circumference, which is 2 pi r, and then times it by 3 centimetres, which is the height. 2 times pi times 10 equals 63 centimetres. Times by 3 equals 189 centimetres squared. Then you add 314 and 189 together, which equals 502 centimetres squared. Finally, you times it by 0.5 centimetres, which is the thickness of the icing, and this equals 251 centimetres cubed. How much icing you'll need. Now on to Zara to do the balloon.
Now onto the balloons for the party. I always find this part tiring. I wonder how many breaths I need to fill up all 10 balloons. Well, if we want to fill them up to a 20 centimetre diameter, we first need to find out how much air is needed for each balloon. On average, a person expels 500 millilitres of air per breath. So how many breaths per balloon? Well, we're about to show you. Here's how.
This is the formula to find the volume of the sphere. Because the radius will be 10 centimetres, the volume of the balloon is 4,189 centimetres cubed. Then divided by 500 centimetres cubed equals 8.378 breaths to fill each, or 9 breaths since in this circumstance we round up.
So we've worked out that the total number of breaths to fill up all 10 balloons is 90. Now that's another thing ticked off the list. We are nearly ready for the party.
It's lolly bag time.
Now onto the lolly bags. We have 5 packets of Ovaltinis, 15 lollies, 5 chocolates, 5 lollipops and 10 Zappos.
I wonder, if all the food was in a bowl together, what's the chance of picking 4 dinosaur lollies in a row?
All the food added together equals 40, so you'd have a 15 and 40 chance. Pick one out.
Oh, I got a dinosaur lolly. Now I have a 14 out of 39 chance of picking a second one. You pick it now.
Look, I got a dinosaur lolly too. Now there's a 13 out of 38 chance of picking a third one.
If this continued and we picked out 4 lollies, what's the total percentage of this occurring?
Here's how. First we need to multiply the numerators and denominators and put the numbers over each other. This is 32,760 divided by 2,193,360, which equals 0.0149. Then you multiply it by 100 to find the percentage, which is 1.49%.
After packing the dinosaurs using things from the bowl, we're done! Woo!
Happy birthday to you.
Thanks guys for helping me with my party. And thank you, Math.